So today I'm about to show you how to scrape and upload Google Sheets in N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a HTTP request node to pull data from your target website. Next, snap a HTML node immediately after it. Set the action parameter to extract element and type in your CSS selector. Now, grab in a Google Sheets node and connect it directly after your extraction block. Click into the parameters, select your Google credentials, set the resource type to spreadsheet, and choose append as your operation. Finally, paste your target sheet's URL into the configuration box, map the extracted text variables from your HTML node, and straight into the matching column fields, and hit execute to automatically dump your scraped data directly into your spreadsheet rows. And that's it. That's how to scrape and upload to Google Sheets in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.